Did you know that back in the days, Fijian people named their 5 fingers? So today I'm going to tell you. Go na dovin ni kakana. Watengo na ndusin ni turanga. Go tumbusi vitira baleteko kila kale balavu. Atengo na toka wale. Se toka ni mama. Batengo na iloloku ni mate. Baleterto na turanga makawa. Niyo kana turanga imate. Irto na tamata irto musuka naka. I believe I can fly.